About 2 minutes into the trail, we got a blown out sidewall already. I didn't total Brian's Jeep, so I like that for him. The village bicycle.
Hurry up, power out, power out, power out, power out. There you go.
I got you. Hi.
Come passenger, you're nuckin' futz.
Little driver. Oh.
Ray, he's taking springs as offerings.
We're at the first obstacle highway to hell.
Say driver.
Yep. Front tire went over that route.
I've never seen anything that short go up that.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it, you got it. Up, wipe, up. Still work. Still work.
I'm gonna drive this into a lake at WD-40. I hope nothing breaks. That would make this trail really long. Or that,